What is going on, guys? So today it's gonna be more of a vlog style video. You guys know I love sharing my harvest videos with you guys. I post a lot of shorts like harvesting some of my tomatoes, my okra, my carrots, but today I'm gonna go ahead and harvest the rest of my carrots, so all of them. You guys know I love growing them. I've harvested some very odd looking ones actually, so let me show how many I got left, and let's go ahead to it, and hopefully you guys enjoy this harvest with me. So to start things off, you guys know I have one bed here, and one bed over here full of carrots. So we're gonna start with this row first, move on to here, and then over there, I know I have a lot of big carrots remaining. So I'm excited to harvest that one. So let's get to this one first and share what we got. All right, so where do I even begin? Let's start with let's start from over here first. So wow, these are actually pretty massive. So let's grab by the handful real quick. Look at this. Oh man, that is awesome. Okay, so couple of tiny one decent one over here. Let's grab this row here. Let's grab about a handful. So the problem with my carrots is that I didn't really thin them out, so there is gonna be a lot of clumping in them, but decent size. Like this right here, this is pretty okay. I can't complain. Let's put that to the side. Got, oh, I think this one right here might be a good one. Let's see here. Very decent size. I'm very happy if it turns out like this. Not disfigured, not weird, mutant looking. Very beautiful. So far, so good. This is a very tiny. This one right here is, come on, come on. Oh, not bad at all either. You know, harvesting carrots is like playing the lottery. You never know if the carrot is going to turn out nicely or not. So one bed is done. Oh, let me get this one too. So here's one bed. Let's move into the next bed, and then let's get all those, and let's see how it is. Now we move on to bed number 2, and I have a feeling some of these are going to be really, really nice because the greens on the top is just, it's a lot. It's starting to actually oh wow, it's starting to seed, so it's time to harvest these. So let's pull this real quick. Oh, this is a good one right here. Let's take a look here. Very decent size already. So my soil in this area is very clay heavy, so I know these raised beds are not very tall, and it's recommended that you want to have like maybe 1 feet deep for your carrots. But look at this right here. The size is not bad. They're pretty decent sized carrots. Let's continue on to over here. I want to get them all out, and I want to show you the final results of how many carrots I got. So a lot of small ones right here, unfortunately. Terrible thinning and maybe too much sun, a lot of green, so not much development at the bottom. We have a couple big ones over here too, so let's grab all this at the same time. Okay, so these are not bad right here. Look at this. I know there's a lot of dirt, so it might be a little bit hard to see, but decent sized carrots, I would say. Man, it smells very good too. Remember, guys, you can actually keep the greens and make them into pesto or cut them into a salad. But wow, look at all these carrots. It's so fun growing carrots, guys. And you know what? It's time for the last bed, and this bed is loaded with carrots, and I know they're gonna be massive. So let's move over there and see what we got. Now, because this third bed is loaded with these mint that has taken over completely, I'm gonna go ahead and give you like a POV view of each of these harvests. Get up close and personal with these carrots. Let's go one by one. It's a fun surprise. Ah, beautiful, nice looking carrot. Let's put that one over here. This one looks good as well, so let's take a look. Oh, decent size, See, like I told you. So in this bed right here, a lot of these carrots, it's shaded by the sun, so I feel like it allows it to develop really well. Like, okay, now this one is this one is weird. And look at that. Not bad at all. Let me get to the inside of this third bed so you can see a little bit more. And let's see what we got. Like this one right here. Do you see how much greens is on this one? So there's a good shot that this one is pretty decent. And I was right. See, the bed is pretty shallow, but the carrot is still pretty nice. Put this over here. And let me go ahead and grab the rest real quick. Now, you guys know I have to get a selfie with all my carrots. Look at all these carrots, guys. Look how freaking amazing that is. That's so many. Now, if you guys like these vlog style videos, leave a comment below Let me know what else you guys like to see. You know, leave a like as well. It helps me out a lot. But I'm so freaking excited about all these carrots. Look at this thing. It's huge.